All right, last, this is a DIY sled pull. Sleds, in my opinion, are the best cardio piece of equipment you can own. You can do so much with it. If you just had this, you could do pretty much any body part and get good workouts, not just cardio. So this is a tire. I was looking for one on Craigslist and driving around seeing if people had them in the garbage. I couldn't find one, so I went to Walmart. This was brand new for 20 bucks, so pretty cheap, but most people can find them. You can even go to tire stores and ask them if they have spare ones, but I think they still sell them. Then I just got an Eyebolt and made a hole, put it through, and you just have a screw on the inside so it doesn't pull out. A chain from any hardware store, and then these hooks. And then for the inside, I just got 4x4s and just cut them into pieces. There's a bottom layer here, and then just put these two, and then this is plumbing pipe from a hardware store, and you just screw it in, and that's it. To get the wood in, you just put screws through. Probably need a power screwdriver, but you just put the screw through the rubber into the wood, and that's it. Altogether, I think it was $32 or $35, and you can do tons of stuff with it. So we're about to do a hamstring exercise, not cardio focus, but strengthening focus. So let's go ahead and go. So pulling backwards on sleds, for the sled, we'll focus more on the quadriceps, versus forward pulling is going to be more of your glutes and hamstrings. Of course, you're going to get some quads and calves with that too.